Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to share files from your Mega Cloud storage. Whether you want to send a download link or share folders with others, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, head over to Mega and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your uploaded files and folders. Let's say you want to share a file. Just right-click on the file you want to share. Now click on Get Link. A pop-up will appear with two options. One includes the decryption key. One is without the key. To make it easy for your recipient, make sure the link includes the decryption key. Click on Copy, and now you can paste and share that link via email, WhatsApp, Discord, anywhere you like. If you want to share an entire folder, it works the same way. Just right-click the folder, hit Get Link, and copy the secure link. You can also go to the Sharing tab if you want to invite people to collaborate. Just type their email and choose whether they can view or edit. And here's a quick tip. If you want to remove access later, right-click the file or folder. Go to Manage Link and click Remove Link. And that's how you share files on Mega. Super! Fast and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.